Today's headlines from March 3 from FreshNews.ai, powered by FreshNews.ai. Operators now treat generative engines as a new distribution channel, making AI visibility a core discipline inside the operating model. Today's signal authority governance for GEO, be selected by generative engines, is now a structured pipeline that turns brand knowledge into consistent, machine-readable building blocks. This pipeline links your AI visibility intelligence dashboard to a controlled set of industry authority category association assets, so generative engines resolve to your brand as the default answer. Treated as an operating system rather than a campaign, it creates one maintained source of truth that product, comms, and growth teams update on a schedule. Why it matters? Here are 4 takeaways. First, your brand description stays consistent across AI-generated responses instead of varying by prompt or channel. Second, internal teams stop rewriting the same explanations and pull from a single approved reference set. Third, category comparisons start from your framing and language, not a competitor's description. Fourth, you can track and adjust authority signals on a recurring cadence instead of reacting ad hoc. How it works in practice? Marketing Ops defines a small set of canonical authority assets that express what you do, who you serve, and why you are the default choice. These assets are broken into consistent labeled blocks, such as problem statements, product claims, proof points, and customer types. The AI Visibility Intelligence Dashboard monitors how these blocks are reflected or distorted in live AI outputs. Gaps and misalignments are logged as tickets, then owners update authority assets to correct them. Over time, the pipeline tightens as only approved, structured explanations are allowed into external content and knowledge surfaces. One practical adjustment: assign a single owner this week to draft a 1-page authority brief that locks your category name and core promise in fixed wording for many teams to reuse. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, list every place your brand is currently described and export the exact language used. Second, draft a concise authority brief that standardizes your category, promise, use cases, and proofs. Third, assign clear ownership for maintaining that brief and approving any changes to core wording. Fourth, integrate the brief into your AI Visibility Intelligence Dashboard review so deviations trigger updates. Thanks for listening to FreshNews.ai, news and insights. See details at FreshNews.ai.